Hi, my name is Roman Beganov. Today I'm going to show you how to use the Remark palette on the front end, but first I need to tell you more about Remark. What is Remark? Remark is an NFT protocol or standard that extends the regular NFT operation. It adds new capabilities to NFTs such as nested NFT, NFT with properties, Lego NFTs, and equipable NFTs and composable NFTs. We implement the Remark standard in the Quartz network, but what exactly did we implement? Let's go in order. Regular NFT operation, it's a collection, correction, NFT minting, transferring, and so on. We support this natively. Lego NFTs, the Remark specific feature, nested NFT. This is what Daniel showed you. We implemented Remark IP for nesting. NFT with properties. This is what Farhad demonstrated. We implemented Remark IP for this as well. Equipable NFTs. This feature is in progress. Also, we have developed an additional to the Remark standard, the RPC interface. The RPC interface allows the other developers to elaborate front-end solution for the Remark compatible NFT engineers without regard to the internal structure of the NFT engine. Such a front-end solution we will work with every Remark compatible blockchain. You already saw the nesting and properties mechanism today. Let's concentrate on the Remark future, the Lego NFTs. Yes. We will use this page for the demo. I started the demo initialization before the presentation because it consists a lot of transactions and take considerable time. Let me explain how composable NFT work in Remark standard while the transactions oh sorry next slide. A Remark NFT actually contains not much information. You can see that info on the slide. You can see that info on the slide, overall reality, metadata, and much more. Oh, sorry. The thing is a collection over can add resource additional arbitrary information to an NFT. There are different types of resource, but we will concentrate on the one of that allows us to create composable NFTs, the composable resource type. A composable resource contains a base ID and identifier of the base that contains NFT parts. Let's talk about Remark bases. Base is an entity stored on blockchain that contains information about NFT parts. In our example, we will consider a base with board parts such as head, wings, legs, tail. Each part contains a link to SVG picture. Also, base can contain themes. They are just key value pairs stored inside a base. In our example, we will use simple themes, but just one property, this color property, and our base will contain two themes, the default one and black and white theme. So, what steps should we take to create a composable NFT? We shall create a collection and mint an NFT, of course. Then, we shall create a base containing parts and themes. Actually, a base might be created by another user, but we will create by one user for second simplicity. Now we can assign the create base to our NFT. Since we are controlling the collection our accounts, we can add the composable resource containing the base ID to our NFT. Here we go. The NFT is the birds now. After I have introduced how to Remark works, it's time to show you a little demo. Everything should be ready by now. Let's see the logs. Great, logs. Nice. We have a lot of transactions here. Let me tell you a little bit about each one. Create two accounts, it's okay. transaction of creating collection, a collection in which we will put our birds. Transaction a base creation, and it we specify which fixed parts we will be present it in, and additional information such as z-param, which layer in the image in this part, and source param. Here I have inserted a link to the image. And transaction adding themes, I specified the name of the theme and added one parameter. You can do more if you want. And transaction meeting bird for Alice and Bob. And transaction composable resource. Here I specify composite resource, specify the base and slots that will be used. Great. In order to get a beautiful picture of the bird with all its elements, you need to collect a lot of data. And collect. Nice. I have 2 birds. That call goes to our APC. First of all, we find out what resources our NFT used. This is first. This is first transaction. We find out from the resource that it uses a composite resource, but the base pull the base ID from it. Query parts of the base. From there we get almost all the information we need. Also in the base it is indicated that the themes are used. We also request them. That's how our bird turns out, and what parts they have. And we can play with themes. That's it. Thanks for your attention.